Can this random library in Python programming language be used as a guessing game? Yes, it can be used as a guessing game. That's just basically what we are going to cover in this video. We are going to make it just a simple game whereby we can try guessing the output. That's just it. There's nothing really much again. We are going to make use of this random int. We can also make use of this uniform. So the reason why I want us to make use of this random int, because you are targeting a particular range of number. Because why this guy? Using this guy, I don't think you can predict. Maybe something like 30.875. No, I don't think you can predict that. That's just basically impossible to do. To predict the entire float. No. That's just basically impossible to do. Well, let's do something that is quite possible. So we're going to make use of this random int here. So we're going to, let me just copy this out. Let me just copy this. I've talked about this in our previous video. Just random.int. It's just going to generate a random number from 2 to 9. That's just it. Let's run it. So it can see generated 5 for us. But I keep on running, it's going to generate the number you should be expecting is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 is the minimum, 9 is the maximum number you're expecting for it to display as our output. You can expect a range of number from 2 to 9. If I set 0 here, let's say I move this to 0. So we're going to expect 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in this situation, let's make it a little bit interactive. Let's say want somebody to try to predict a number. We can say input, or we can say predict. You can say the person to predict. This should get out. Predict number. Let's say if we want to stay from 0 to let's make it a little bit better. Let's not put something long. So you can say predict a number from 0 to 10. Okay, we can say we're going to try to generate it from 0. So we are going to set here to 10. So I don't want this thing to be complex. I can add while loop and other things for it to continue running, but I don't think there's any need for us to go to that extent. Just want to try to have a fun design. And then we can say, let me try storing this in a variable. Let's say val, for example. Okay, let me put a small letter. So I can try to tell the user to input. You can say user. Here is going to be input. And what is this? We're talking about what input is, just to collect something input from our user. So let me just move this inside there, so the user can know what he or she is expecting to enter. Well, now when I run this, let me move this. When I run this, it's going to prompt the player to enter range of number from 0 to 10. So I'm expecting an integer. So I'm going to put it. So I'm going to convert anything the user enters to an integer. I'm not going to try to make this complex by adding try to handle that of whether the user decides to enter. Let's say in a situation where we're expecting from 0 to 10 and enters A, B, C, D, or enters his name. So I don't want to go into that complex scenario, and I'm not going to put that a while loop so we can keep on running for the player to keep on enjoying. We're basically going to do this in another video. I just want to look at how interactive this is. So I'm going to put a little bit of if condition just to check whether the user entered is equals to this val, because let's say in a situation this guy printed out 9, for example, and then this guy printed out 9. We need to tell the user that he guessed right. So let me just say print. Okay, I can say, let me make the condition. I can say if user equals to val. I can now say, what is this? This is getter. Oh, why this first? Okay. I can come here and say you got it right. You got it right. So after I say you got it right, I want to print the val here. So I can also say else, because there's just basically two types of condition that's going to happen. Is either you get it right or you don't. So let me just else print and say you are wrong. Let me just say actual output. Let me draw this up. Actual output is, so I'm going to display the actual output. This is going to be our val. So let's run this and see the output for ourselves. So let me run this. You can see predict a number from 10 to 0 to 10. I say 9. You can see you are wrong. The actual output is 7. You can see you can run this multiple times to enjoy ours. I can see 7. The actual output is 2. So this is basically how you can achieve this. Now we are going to do something better than this. So this is basically what I want us to cover in this video. So I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.